Good. Look at that, right back where it came from.
Sheesh.
It's gonna be something cool. You're always gonna have to go to Gately Audio Instagram or his website or something to find out what it's gonna be later. It's gonna be dope though.
Should be
it's
wild.
not just a logo. It's gonna be a lot more than just a logo. Got the polished stainless 16 gauge number 6. Is that what you said? Number 6?
Number 8.
Number 8?
Yeah. Mirror finish.
Yes.
See exactly how ugly I am.
I can't wait to see what you do with it, man. Gately Audio.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. A little bit of part 2.
Yeah, I'm going to put a little extra part 2 because it's a pretty thin pour. So you mix a little extra part 2. This is actually what I was told by this manufacturer. I told him I was only doing a 1/4 inch thick pour. So he said kind of crank up that part 2. Now another thing that I
So sick.
pretty cool, huh? Mean. There we go. All right. Oh, it fucking sank itself all the way down really well. So with this one, well, that's kind of cool. Look to it.
So if this is successful like you're hoping it will be, we don't know yet, but if it is, what's it gonna be? Where's it going?
On the grill of the Raiden.
On the grill of the Raiden?
Mm-hmm.
All right. F450, the Raiden. That's a big ass grill emblem.
It's a big ass grill.
All right, so I'm gonna come back to this here when it's all dry. It's gonna be a little while. What are the plans? You're gonna fill that up, let it dry, grind it down, sand it, polish it, and all that good stuff, or what?
Sure, you know the drill.
All right, I know the grill. He said you know the grill. Dope. All right, we're out of here for now. Sick as hell. 16 gauge, polished mirrored stainless, set in acrylic, set in epoxy resin clear. Dope as hell. That's it. Over the top dope.
Put a little light on it.
Okay.
Well, you want to grab it and hold it? Can we bring it outside and look at it? Or is it not ready
Yeah,
for that
we
yet?
did.
It looks sparkly, that's what I was saying. Let's see it.
What is that?
This is the Raiden grill, huh?
Yeah, it's been the
That is going to be the biggest logo I've ever seen on a grill. Sick as hell. Look how beautiful that is, man. More crazy stuff for Gately Audio. It's going to be my most challenging cut yet. Polished stainless. Look how nice this stuff is. All done. Hey, show me real quick where those things are gonna go. Do you got anything ready to go? Kinda?
Yeah.
Little railing?
Yep, so these are gonna go right here on these links.
See?
Line those up. So I believe the links are powder coated root beer brown underneath, right? So that will come through this. We'll get this all fire polished. There'll be lights inside of here, and so this whole thing will light up. All these little gateway shields will light up, and you're polished behind here. So you'll see the root beer brown through. You can see my fingers a little bit, and that's not even polished yet. So
Can't wait to see it. Sick as hell.
yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Get the audio.